Hi guys. Actually, what happened? I don't know. My company code is not available in system since the share server. Someone might be deleted or something. Or maybe data refreshes happen. I have checked from the T001 table. No values found. I am able to see. I have checked from the data retrieve table also. I am unable to see. And if I go to table log also, uh, here this is the table I am checking since I'm doing from the old. You can see I have given 1 month, sorry, 1 year period data. I'm not sure this is deleted by someone or maybe system refreshes happen. I don't know exactly. Let's stop this thing. Stop transaction and we'll go to SCU3. Here from this table we can see all change logs. So if I take a since I don't know 2026. I want to check ALV grid actual changes. Here also I am unable to find. If I am check here company code global data, there is no table log here. By given T001 table also unable to find here. We need to mention. If I give our company code GIP, there is no nothing information is available. So since save server, I cannot say anything. So I will take a new server and we can do from there new way of configuration from EC01. We'll do quickly organize structure, all enterprise related things, and we can do next start the videos from the GL master data and remaining things. Yeah, that's what I want to say from this video. Thank you.